In this module, we will find out the key activities that take place in the day-to-day business with their risks and control factors. The first activity is based on cash collection at field. Let's find out the risk and control factors involved in this activity. The risk factor under this activity can be incorrect collection leading to shortage or excess. The control factors under this activity can be real-time entry in TrueCell and PROD, CIT slip and cash reconciliation, handling of soiled, mutilated, counterfeit or pre-2005 notes, adhering to clean note policy, update loan card for all repayment or overdraft collections, also provide acknowledgement slip generated from handheld device. The second activity is based on movement of cash between center meeting, that is field, to branch. Let's find out the risk and control factors involved during this activity. The risks involved under this activity are snatching or misplacement. The control factors under this activity can be digital payments made via Instamojo, Paytm, etc., deposit to Airtel Payments Bank, deposit in our account maintained with other banks, cash movements from one center to other or to branch shall not be through same route, must not give right to any other person, should adhere to cash in transit policy wherever limit exceeds. Also, promote standing instruction for repayments. The third activity is based on cash withdrawal and deposit transactions performed at center meeting. Let's find out the risk and control factors involved in such a case. The risks involved under this activity are incorrect postings including posting without cash collection, excess or short cash collection, non-identification of counterfeit note. The control factors under this activity can be physical cash counting and review of notes before posting cash deposit in the account. Similarly, posting in account for debit before handover of physical cash to the customer. Account to be debited before handover of cash during withdrawal. Issue system generated acknowledgement slip. Depositor account to be checked properly before posting. The fourth activity is based on overnight cash holding. Let us find out the risks and control factors while holding cash overnight. The risks involved under this activity are theft, lost, or misplacement. The control factors under this activity can be overnight cash holding is allowed only with prior approval up to certain limit. Physical amount shall reconcile with CRO till. Cash should be deposited at cash counter before 5 p.m. on the same day. Further, overnight cash should get deposited at cash counter at the start of the day on T+1 day basis. If not possible, it should be deposited in the Airtel Payments Bank or Pay Nearby outlets or other bank accounts. The receipt issued at Airtel Payments Bank outlet or Pay Nearby outlet or other bank should be submitted to the cashier on T+1 day basis for nullifying the CRO till. The fifth activity is based on the customer onboarding process. Let's find out the risk and control factors involved while onboarding a customer. The risks involved here are onboarding customers who are KYC non-compliant, falls under impersonation or mules, or fraud. The control factors under this activity are original, seen and verified, that is, OVD is obtained as per prevailing KYC policy of the bank, house visit and GRT done by the supervisors, separate consent form to be obtained from seeding or eKYC, visit the address where the customer resides and submit the house visit report. Self-declaration as address proof is accepted only with eKYC. Hand over PGK or Instacate correctly without zero error. The sixth activity is based on personal safety and hygiene. Let us find out what are the risk and control factors involved under this activity. The risk factors involved under this activity are fine imposed under Motor Vehicle Act, financial loss, any physical injury caused, or affected with infection. The control factors under this activity can be having a valid driving license, PUC certificate and other related documents, having a comprehensive insurance coverage, using ISI certified helmet, preferably full mask. Other norms like social distancing, wearing a mask, sanitizing, washing hand, etc. should be followed. Avoiding crowded areas and maintaining social distancing while interacting with the customers. Wearing ID cards during working hours. Thanks for completing Module 6. Let's see what we have in our upcoming modules.